Number one is building an audience. There are many ways to build an audience, but the three ways that I have used are YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. I think YouTube is the best way, but to be honest with you, I haven't made any money with any of the three so far. All of these platforms are free to use, and when I say safe, you're probably not going to lose any money if it's not costing you anything to begin with. All three of these platforms are easy to use. With YouTube, you just need to publish videos. With Instagram and Pinterest, I just followed other people and they followed me back. Of course, you can publish content on those sites also to receive followers. Number two is eBay. The platform is free, but there is a way you could lose a small amount of money. So to lessen the chance of losing money, I would sell a low value item that you have around the house. There is still the possibility of losing the shipping cost of between $4 to $7 though. This site may be a little harder than the first because there is a little more manual work. Number three is swing trading, the stock market online. Swing trading is similar to day trading, except you keep the stocks a little longer than you would day trading stocks. There are risks involved in swing trading, but many of the platforms are free and they will give you a stock for joining. So if you just trade that stock and none of your own money, there is very little risk involved. If you decide to use your own money, then the risk would be much greater. Some people would also include affiliate marketing in this group. The reason I did not include it is I feel like it's very hard to profit with affiliate marketing without having an audience. So I would say affiliate marketing goes hand in hand with having an audience. These are the only three I have found. If you know of others, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe.